Okay, so I have this mock-up and I need to get my design on it. I have a sleeve print, something to go on the front, and an oversized back print. How am I going to do this? I have all of the images from my supplier. I ordered from Sanmar. You can use these with any t-shirt images that you actually have. I'm going to get a couple different ones for some colors because I want to do this in a couple of different variations. So I'm just going to grab them and just right click and save as. And then next, I'm going to go and open up DesignGen. So you just go to try.designgen.com. And those of you who haven't created an account, create one first. It's completely free to sign up. You don't need to put in your credit card or anything like that. You go to the operator tab at the top once you're in and you have your account created. And this is where things start to get interesting. So I'm going to upload those mockups that I just downloaded. So to make this easy on both of us, I'm just going to hold down the space bar, which is something you can do, and ask exactly for what I need. I need to put my design for the prom 2026 kind of like promotional hype for these specific mockups that I have attached for you. So for the actual design, I don't really know what to put on them. I'm just kind of using them as like reference points for customers to kind of get an idea for their own prom 2026 season. Can you help me brainstorm some ideas and then actually go ahead and put the designs on those mockups for me? We need to do a front print, something to go on the sleeve near the hand that like says the year of the prom that they went to. And in this case, prom 2026, and then an oversized back print, like something really big on the back. All right. That sounds pretty good. I knew what I wanted in this case. So, right. It was kind of setting it up for the most success that I could. Go ahead and turn on the auto mode. This is going to let it run completely autonomously, and I'm just going to start it up. So let's see what we can get back from operator, and it's going to actually, hopefully at least, get back exactly what I asked for. And that's honestly the nice thing about this. So I have it in auto mode, you guys saw, remember? That means that I don't have to like sit here and go through the approvals. So it's just going to work. Like it's just going to keep on going. I can go into another tab. I can continue doing my normal work and let this go, and it'll notify me when it's done, when everything is ready to go. But for you guys watching right now, it says it's analyzing my brand image. So it's looking at these actual images that I've uploaded, and it's kind of telling itself really what it wants to do and how it wants to assemble all of the mock-up designs and images. So we see it's analyzed all three of them. So we're good on that sense. And now it's kind of planning out what it wants to do, I think. Okay, so we got something back here. Love this idea. You've got 3 great hoodies for the prom 2026 collection, and it was able to identify all of the colors from the hoodie. So it's saying for the back print, we're going to do an oversized prom 2026 typography. And then the class of 2026 is a classic timeless prom aesthetic. I think that sounds pretty good. Could do a couple of these different options. They're saying the last dance. I like that. That sounds pretty good to me. So I actually was kind of not, I wasn't on, so I actually didn't really oh, okay. So it looks like these are actually different options. So it's giving me each of these and these are different options for the back. And I want this, so it's wanting me to pick my vibe, it's saying. Okay, cool. I like the sound of the last dance. I think that sounds really cool. I'm going to write back the last dance. This sounds cool. For the front, saying simply prom 2026 in a clean script font with bold or block letters. So it's either clean script or bold block letters. I kind of think the clean script would look pretty good. Maybe doing that for like the bottom sleeve. Also, it looks like you may have forgotten that I still want to do something on the actual front of the hoodie. I want the like near the hand on the sleeve for the prom 2026 to be there as well. So we just need to come up with something for the front now, like the front of the hoodie. Because it does look like it was able to get the, like where I want it on the hand, but we're still missing the front. So let's go ahead and see what we can come up with for that. That sounds pretty good. So we got back some options for the front, and we can either do a large 2026 typography, a silhouette design, crown and stars motif, but then it came back with this vintage ticket stub aesthetic. That sounds pretty good to me. Let's do that one for sure. And hopefully now Operator is going to have everything that it needs to go on its own and do everything we were asking for at the beginning. It's going to create the mockups using our images that we submitted originally. It's going to create the designs, apply those to the mockup, and then by the end of this, hopefully we'll have everything ready to actually publish to our marketplace and start selling some of these designs. And that's exactly what's going on. So right now we can see Operator just updated the plan and it's currently generating the designs. So it's saying current step, generating the image, vintage ticket stub energy for the front, a dramatic last dance for the back. I'll generate the artwork and apply it to all 3 hoodie colors. So as you guys are seeing, this is the way of the future. If you guys are not using AI some form or another in your business, and honestly, even if you're not using tools like DesignGen to create your artwork in your print shop, in your apparel, designs, Etsy stores, Shopify, whatever it is, again, you're already behind the curve if you can believe it, guys. You guys got to stay up with this stuff, man. I can't believe how fast things are moving, to be quite honest. It's been crazy to see, but I love it nonetheless. And that's the other really cool part about Operator. It does everything completely for you. So you just saw right there, it was able to actually generate the image and remove the background. So that's one of the things about a lot of these AI tools out there. They come with like backgrounds or they have those weird swirly things that you get with ChatGPT. That's what Operator is designed to completely avoid and to take care of for you. So you don't have to go through any of that trouble. You're not having to go back and forth and fight with the AI. You just get back like the print ready results. So much work, guys, has gone into like making the platform what it is today. And there's still a lot of work, obviously, that goes into it and needs to be done. But I'm really happy with the way things are currently. So, I mean, honestly, if you guys are interested in trying this out, you can try everything that I'm showing you right now today. Like I said, completely for free. You go to trydesigngen.com and you can sign up for free, try out all of the features. Let me know what you think and if there's anything that we can do to improve on them. But even offer your own marketplace and start selling some of this stuff, guys. You can have your marketplace created completely for free and have Operator generate designs, put them on a mockup, and even list them to your marketplace store, all completely for you. It's insane, guys. Like I said, AI is the people who said like in 2030, there's not going to be anybody doing jobs right now because AI is going to be doing it all for them. I think like this list right here, where you see it going hard, just doing work, is proof of that. And now we can see it's currently updated the plan to say that it's applying the designs to the mockups. So it was able to get all of the designs created, remove the backgrounds, and now we're at the stage where we are applying them to the mockups. And soon enough here, we'll be able to actually get back our ready to go, ready to sell designs and listings. But that's what I'm saying. Like right now, I'm kind of just sitting here, like I'm not doing anything and it's doing everything for me, which means that I can go do something else. I can go put my work, I can go switch tabs, start working on something else. And when I come back, it'll all be ready to go for me to review it, look it over. No, this looks terrible. Do everything over again. And then it'll just go and do it. Oh man. And now switching colors again. That's the kind of the way that we have built Operator to keep up with you, to show you what's going on and what it's doing behind the scenes. These colors are kind of its way of doing that. When it's like the blue color, it's thinking, it's like reasoning, going through all of your brand and your memories and everything to give you the best response. When it's pink, it's like creating or generating a design. And then when it's green, it's actively applying those designs to mockups or creating mockups, either one. And then when you guys see that orange color is the best color in my opinion. That is when it's actually creating listings for you and posting those listings to your DesignGen marketplace. So orange is my favorite color. So I put orange as like the selling, the making money one. Orange. So yeah, guys, like I've been saying, I'm just sitting here right now. Easiest 12-minute video that I've ever started filming. Just watching this paint dry, watching these green check marks come back with all of the designs being applied to the mockups successfully. Okay, we got back our results and we're looking pretty good so far. We just need to do our back design. So for the back design, I think something that would be pretty good, and Michaela actually gave me this idea, like a hand-drawn shot glass style with the names of all of the people in our prom group on the back. And then that way it really does kind of symbolize the whole like keepsake aspect of it. So I got all of the names, and this is going to be a pretty big test, right? That's a lot of different names. And if there's even like one misspelling, we're done for. So I included the red one. That one was the favorite that I saw out of all of these ones. I did like the navy. To be quite honest, I think I might have made a mistake not going with the navy, but I like the red too. So we'll see what ends up coming back from this one. If we do like it, maybe we can do another one in navy, and let's just see what we can get back, because I'm pretty excited. The first results were really good. It's already generating these images, and I'm going to go do something else, right? I'm going to come back and it's going to be done for me. All right, just generated the design and got that applied to the mockup. Let's see what we get back. I'm excited. Here we go. All right, so there's all of the designs. Did we get all of them? Did we get all 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's go. Got all 12. And bro, that looks honestly so sick. I love how oversized it is. This would be such a pain to print as a DTF printer and a print shop myself. That would be a pain. But dude, that's sick. Honestly, I really like it. I'll have to show this to Michaela. One thing I did just notice though is that's kind of on a shirt, and we needed it on the hoodie that we sent. So I just said, this is not the hoodie I attached. Hopefully I can figure it out again. Tisk tisk operator. Okay, so it's saying, now I see it. That's the red prom 2026 hoodie with the vintage ticket graphics. Let me apply the shot glass back to this exact hoodie. Okay, we all make mistakes. It's all right. But in all seriousness, this feature, like, we're still in active development with this. This is like, again, cutting edge technology at the same time. So there's going to be little like quirks and things like that. Just if you do have any issues, it's kind of not doing exactly what you want, just try asking for what you want. There we go. Let's go. That's what we want. So still preserved all of the names perfectly. And honestly, it even did it in a little bit more of a realistic style. Like, this is still for sure oversized, but it's not like in the armpits of the shirt like this one, even though I do like that. It's, I think a lot more realistic. So overall, way better. This is exactly what we need. This is perfect. Okay, so right now I have my 2 images for the actual mockup that we're going to be using for our store. And I sent them into Operator, and now I asked it to actually create the listing that we can use to like give to everyone in our prom group. They can go on there, buy their t-shirts, buy their hoodie, whatever they want. They can just select whatever, and when they do place their order, us as AMS goes ahead and produces it, gets it shipped to the customer, but it's your brand on the label, so they don't even know that we're involved. And that's exactly what you can see Operator going ahead and doing. So it's taking those images and actually creating some additional mock-up listings, listing images to go ahead and kind of fill out the listing, make it kind of a cohesive thing. So that works for if you're trying to actually sell these designs and make some money on them. If it's not just for this given use case, you're trying to really sell them like you would on Etsy or something like that. This is where that's really going to come in handy. So let's see what we can get back. It already loaded up our shop, and now it's going to go ahead and get this posted for us. Let's just wait and see. Okay, so like I said, it changed to orange, and now it says our approval is needed because it's going to actually publish our listing. So Operator went ahead and did an AI analysis on the image, so it generated an SEO optimized title and description, which means that basically your listing is going to show up in Google search. It's going to show up in like ChatGPT and other AI search engines. So in effect, that just means that your design is going to get more like placements, more opportunities for buyers to buy it. And what that really comes down to is just everything that the description, the title, the images, the tags in the actual images, all of that just has to kind of come together. So what we can see is all of that being done for you by Operators. So all you have to do, set your markup. This is kind of like your profit, the amount that you set for the money that goes into your pocket. So you could set this to whatever you want. If you set it to 0, that just charges cost, which means that like you basically only have your customers paying the cost that you pay us to produce the garment, the t-shirt, whatever it is. So you could set that to 0. You could set it to 3,000%, whatever you want. All of that is your profit at the end of the day. So I mean, with something like this, we'll just set it to 10%. We'll see what we get back. And there we go. Operator went ahead and actually published our listing for us. It's on our store, available as a hoodie, and it even went ahead and generated a t-shirt for us. So if people want to buy it even as a hoodie or a t-shirt, that's up to the person when they go to the listing. And the listing is live. Open it to review, the public marketplace listing. Guys, this is seriously like a crazy world. I can't even believe everything that we've been able to do in just this, like, what is this, like a 15-minute video? It's truly remarkable. If you guys are interested in kind of taking this to your next and using this in your business to take it to the next level, I don't know, guys. If you're not, I think that somebody might come and pass you up, man, because this stuff is getting really good. It's getting really easy to use these tools. And I mean, as you guys have literally seen in this video so far, it does it all for you. Like, you don't even have to do it anymore, man. Like, this is truly insane, guys. I can't even believe it. Like, I can't even get the words out. I can't believe it myself that we're able to pull off something like this, that AI is able to literally take an idea that I said. All you guys saw me was I held down the space bar on my keyboard, said my idea, didn't even type, and Operator went and created a listing that I can now sell for a profit online. And it's completely online. People can go and visit this link and they can buy it as a hoodie, as a t-shirt, all of these different colors. It's insane, guys. It's insane. If you guys are interested in trying this out yourself, you can go to trydesigngen.com. If you guys are interested in buying this prom 2026 hoodie because you guys thought it was so bomb, I don't blame you. And I'll drop this link down in the description for you. It's a crazy world, guys. It's honestly, it's a little scary, but I'm here for it. I'm going to be one of the people who actually tries to make the best of all of this and tries to learn everything that I can and make this technology at the end of the day work for me. So if you guys want to be a part of this train with me, you guys want to hop on board, be part of the early adopters, because boy, are we early. If we still are getting on it now, we're at least getting ahead of the train. But if you guys want to join me, go to trydesigngen.com. You can sign up completely for free. Try this whole workflow that I was showing you. It's pretty amazing, guys. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. If you guys want to sign up for DesignGen and try this out, try it out. TryDesignGen.com.